Hi guys, I was asked by a couple of people how I created my art canvases, specifically this one. So today I'm going to recreate this abstract painting. I'll also show you how I frame these canvases. I get these large canvases from Michaels. They are the level 3 heavy duty canvas by artist Loft. This particular one I have in the entryway is the biggest size they have, 48 by 60. It has some weight to it and it's pretty sturdy. Never ever pay the full price for these canvases. When they are not on sale, the regular price for this big one is $109. But when they were on sale and they were 75% off, I got this one for like 30 bucks. So wait until they're on sale. I paint everything in my garage. I first lay down plastic sheeting so paint won't get on the garage floor. I use any type of paint that I have available, house paint, acrylic paint, whatever. As long as it dries and sticks on the canvas, that's the goal. I lay down my canvas. For this particular painting, I have a bottle of black acrylic that's almost empty. Because I want the paint to roll off, I added water and mixed them together to make the paint very liquidy. I pour it from one corner to another diagonally. Stand the canvas up, let the paint drip down to create the lines, set it down, stand the other side up, let it drip, and that's it. This abstract painting is very simple. Once it's dry, time to frame it. You can use nicer, smoother wood if you like. I chose to use these furring strips that are about $1 a piece from Lowe's. It's easier if you paint them first before cutting. Once all the strips are dry, I laid out my canvas on the floor along with the wood strips, measure, and cut them at 45 degrees angle. If you like to have a floating frame look, before cutting and while measuring, put spacers in between the strips and the canvas, and then mark where you want to cut. Oh, and I use these nuts as spacers. They are about 1/4 of an inch thick. After cutting, I screw the strips straight onto the canvas. Again, if you want the floating look, put your spacers in place before screwing the strips onto the canvas. I use spackle to fill up any corner gaps and to fill up screw holes, and then cover with paint. To hang the painting, I put a screw on each side of the canvas at an angle pointing up, then tying steel wire onto the screws to create a little hanger, and that's it. I also put bumper pads in the 4 corners so when it is hanging, it won't scratch the wall. This is how I frame and hang all of my canvases in the house. It's a good feeling when people come over to our house and ask where these abstract paintings came from, and I tell them I made them myself. When it's an abstract painting, you can interpret it however you want. Not only does it serve as a painting, but it also adds texture to the area. There's no wrong or right way or good or bad abstract painting. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And until the next video.